Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a recreation of an Instagram video that was sent to me from one of my friends on Instagram, YouTube, and she's also a subscriber of mine, HEYYY. So I appreciate you giving me this idea to recreate this video. So if you guys want to watch me do this, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with some freshly washed and conditioned hair. My hair, I did do a protein treatment in my hair, and I did just recolor my hair. So my color is fresh and my hair is washed and cleansed. So I will put this disclaimer out there now. I do not own any of Taraji's hair care lines due to the pandemic right now. So I'm going to be using my own concoction of things. But what she did was basically she stretched her hair, bended it down, then she did a 2-strand twist at the end of it. So it ended up being like a nice big afro with defined ends. So that's the look that I'm going for today. I'm using my own concoction of products that I have here in my house because I'm not going out voluntarily to any stores just due to the pandemic. Not that I don't support Taraji, it's just that I'm just not going out right now. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair like she did in her Instagram video. She started off, on the side part of her hair, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is apply my products in. What I like to do is go ahead and, I'm showing you guys that I did buy 100 of the hair ties from CVS. So I had got that recently. I did go to the store for that, but I had to look at some medicine anyway, so that's why I went to CVS. But I got those to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in in my hair. Today I'm using the ORS Curls Unleashed leave-in conditioner. I like to apply my conditioner in my hair and then section my hair off and then work in sections. So I like to give my leave-in some time to actually, penetrate my hair. So although this one kind of looks like it's sitting on my hair, I like my hair to be soaking wet, and it's just not at this moment. So, but we're gonna move right along. So now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair again in another subsection, just like she did. She didn't really do small. It was kind of, in between small and medium sections, and we have different hair textures, so I don't know how this is gonna come out, but we shall see. I'm gonna be applying this Maui Moisture Vanilla Bean Hair Butter to my hair. She did use a moisturizer in her hair from her line, but like I said, I don't own any of that, so I'm just using what I have in my stockpile. So I'm going to apply this, smooth my hair through, and then what she did was took a hair tie, and then she went ahead and tied her hair. But first what she did was she actually twisted the roots to her hair, and then she applied the actual hair tie. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to apply this hair tie to my head, just like so, and then I'm going to start bringing it downward to stretch my hair. I was very intrigued when I saw her do this because I was like, I've seen people bend their hair, but I never saw this type of technique, and I loved her results. So we'll see what kind of results I get because I really don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and just continue bending my hair down, and then I felt comfortable with just doing two in my head like she did, but my hair is longer than hers, so I'm going to go ahead and add a third one to the end of it. And then what she did was take the 2 strands, or she split it in 2, and then she did a 2-strand twist at the end of her hair. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do here. But she did add some gel, her tough cookie gel. But of course, again, I don't have that, so I used some Eco Styler gel here. I just applied this to my ends and just did a 2-strand twist to the end of my hair. Okay, so it ended up being a curl, but then she also went in at the end of it with some of her glow up oil. So I did use something else, and I'll show you what else I used at the end after I do this next section. So I'm gonna just show you guys again. I basically smoothed my hair through, make sure it was detangled, added my moisture butter to my hair, and my hair is wet, just a reminder. And then I went ahead and I twisted my roots, and then just applied the bands going all the way down in a banding method, and then just 2-stranded the ends of it. So I'll let you guys go ahead and watch that. now I'm gonna go ahead and add this Suave. This is a Define and Shine Serum Gel, just for my just to my ends, and also the gel that I had. The Eco Gel. I'm gonna put that on my ends so my ends can be defined. So I'm just gonna two strand twist the ends of my hair, and because my hair is wet, the bands were slipping a lot, so I had to take some of them out and redo it. Just to put it closer. Later on, I did go back in and fill in that gap, but you guys will see that later. So, yeah, that's pretty much how I banded my hair and did the 2-strand. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and I'll come back and show you guys once I'm done banding my whole head. All right, guys, so my hair is completely banded here. It took me about a good 40 minutes to do my whole head here. So I am pleased with the results of it. This is what my hair looks like. I did leave one of them out in the very back, that little section right there, but we're gonna roll with it. My mic was in the way, so I couldn't do a complete 360, even though it wasn't even working, but that's neither here or there. But as you guys can see, on this side, I didn't band it all the way down. I did only 2 bands on this side of my hair, and then the other side I did actually 3, because I want to see the difference between banding it all the way down or banding just the end. So we'll see which side has more definition, but I'm gonna let my hair air dry and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. All right, guys, so I got my mic fixed, number 1. This is the next day after my hair has completely air dried overnight. I did sleep with this satin bonnet on, so it's the next day. It was not bad to sleep in these at all, and it didn't take that long to dry. Even to say that I did my hair on soaking wet hair. So let's go and take these out and see how they come out. I'm going to spray some coconut oil mist. My baby's in here. Some coconut oil mist on my fingers just to kind of help reduce the frizz. And let's see what's happening. Nice definition. And let me undo the twist. We might have something. We might have something. Let me go ahead and finish doing the rest of my hair. Guys, so this is my hair after it's completely untwisted and taken out. I told you guys yesterday that I left this side a little bit more. I only put 2 bands on this side and 3 on this side, and I can see a difference. This side is more volumized, this side is more defined. So I would definitely recommend using 2 bands, twisting the ends of it, because the band is just really just to stretch your hair, and then you want definition at the end. So I did achieve a nice style from this hairstyle. Would I redo it again? Yes, definitely. Because I never get this much volume on day 1 twist out. So I'm happy I tried this hairstyle. So thank you, Taraji P Henson, for coming up with this. I've never seen it before, and I googled YouTube before I did this video to see if anybody else has done this method, and there wasn't anything on there. So I'm definitely giving this props to Taraji P Henson, my favorite actress. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.